In the field of pure cotton t-shirts, we set industry benchmarks with our vertically integrated supply chain. From long staple cotton selection, precision weaving, eco-friendly dyeing to garment production, every step is strictly controlled, forming a seamless production loop with a stable daily output of 500,008,000 pieces. Each product undergoes multiple quality inspections, upholding our commitment to flawless quality. Focused on customer experience, we offer a full-cycle service system, professional rapid response, flexible customization, and comprehensive after-sales support. With 5 million pieces in stock and same-day delivery capability, we transform supply chain advantages into efficient delivery, providing high-quality and cost-effective pure cotton t-shirts at reasonable prices. To be your trusted long-term partner, choosing Hue Pure t-shirts means choosing quality and peace of mind. Our professional service ensures every cooperation is a trustworthy choice.